SailPoint's business model focuses on providing identity governance solutions through SaaS subscriptions. The company has experienced substantial growth over the years, transitioning from a customer-hosted solution to a subscription-based model. This transition is almost complete, with subscription revenue making up the majority of their income. Their fiscal year results show promising trends, with an increase in ARR, annual recurring revenue, across all periods reported. Specifically, their SaaS ARR has seen substantial growth over time. Their go-to-market strategy also focuses on selling more SaaS subscriptions and maintaining strong relationships with existing customers to drive further revenue growth. However, the company does operate under certain limitations due to its transitioning business model. Gross profit margins have fluctuated across periods reported, with subscription gross profit margin showing a higher percentage compared to other figures. The specific security environment SailPoint is addressing involves the increasing need for organizations to adopt comprehensive identity security strategies due to various factors such as cyber attackers exploiting identity-related vulnerabilities, complex IT environments, growth in number and types of identities, exponential increase in data, lack of resources and expertise, and evolving regulatory landscape. SailPoint cited IBM's Cost of a Data Breach Report 2024 that found the global average cost of a data breach is nearly $5 million, and 73% of companies surveyed cite identity security as a top 3 security priority, while only 40% of companies have a comprehensive identity security posture. The company's growth strategy includes driving new customer acquisition through enhanced marketing efforts and sales expansion, expanding existing customer relationships by capitalizing on the adoption of new technologies and comprehensive identity security strategies, leveraging a growing network of partners and alliances to increase reach and service more customers, expanding globally where there is potential for incremental sales, and continuously innovating and expanding their product portfolio, which includes recent launches in non-employee and risk management. Then, while SailPoint has had rapid revenue growth, they acknowledge this may not continue at the same pace in the future. Factors affecting this growth include customer acquisition and retention, successful deployment of solutions, hiring and retaining personnel, developing existing products and introducing new ones, and increasing partner numbers. In regards to competition in the market for identity security solutions, they face competition not only from well-established companies, but also emerging ones. Their competitors include large public companies like IBM, Microsoft, and Oracle, which offer identity solutions within their product portfolios along with pure-play identity vendors. It should also be known that Thoma Bravo, a major shareholder, controlled approximately 86.2% of the voting power after the SailPoint's offering, which can potentially influencing management decisions and policies. This concentration of ownership could impact opportunities for shareholders in case of an unsolicited acquisition or changes in corporate control. Thoma Bravo also has the right to designate directors on SailPoint's board based on their stake in the company. Thoma Bravo's interests may conflict with SailPoint's or other shareholders due to their diverse business activities and potential pursuit of acquisition opportunities. For more on SailPoint and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.